Some animals use their bodies like built-in tools, and one is basically a living hammer. And if you'd stop traffic just to move an animal out of danger, like and subscribe. Number 1. Elephants use their trunks like a hand, grabbing, smelling, even showering themselves. Number 2. Sea otters use rocks as tools to crack open hard shells. Number 3. Mantis shrimp strike so fast they can break shells like a hammer, one of the most powerful punches in nature. Which one is the coolest tool user? 1, 2, or 3? Comment below.